Welcome to the Yurt Sanctuary. You'll be staying in this yurt, which sleeps 4. It has 2 beds. It's a 20-foot yurt, 11 feet to the dome. You have this entire area for yourself, including the picnic table, the hammock, and here is the compost toilet. It's really large and it's very clean, and I made it as beautiful as possible. So there are wood shavings and peat moss in this blue bucket with a scoop and the compost toilet. Basically 1 scoop for number 1, 2 scoops for number 2. Please keep the lid closed and the bathroom closed. There's a clothesline out there. There's a sink here with running water. Just has cold water, but the shower does have hot water. The heater is already set. Please do not change the settings of the heater. The shower has a button on the top for on, and just press the button on the bottom for off. The hot water comes out pretty fast. It's a very private shower. There you go. Let's walk around here and we'll come into the yurt. The yurt has 3 windows, 2 large windows, 1 small window. The 2 large windows have blinds, so you can close the blinds for privacy. The small window is really high and no one can see in. There are 2 sofa beds in there. I'll be sending you a video on the instructions on how to open them. There's the key, there's a mini fridge, there's a cooler also. There's a coffee machine and a tea kettle. There's a bin here for the compost. No animal fats in the compost bin, please. This is the fan, and the blue button is for the on or off, and you turn this button just to have it. It's the oscillating button. There are the instructions for opening the small bed. When you leave, I would ask that you please leave the bed open, strip the bed, and just leave the sheets on the bed. Your towels, please do not leave wet towels on the bed or on the floor. Just leave them in the shower. This is the queen size sofa bed, and all the linens and pillows are underneath. And this is how you open the queen size bed. Wait until you hear that click and then pull it down. Please remove the gray cover. The mattress does have a mattress cover. This is the Jackery battery. It's the smaller solar powered battery, and we have one of the lights fixtures plugged into it. You need to turn that AC button on in order for the juice to run, so you can turn on the light. You can check the display. If the battery gets like below 60%, I recommend that you take the solar panel and plug it in. You open it up, take it outside, have it facing the sun, and recharge the battery. You can leave it out charging while you're out and about, but not if it's raining. Please do not leave it when it's raining. This is the main power source. This is the larger Patriot battery, and it is charged also with a solar panel outside. It's always being charged, and you need to click those buttons on and off if you want to use those outlets. Okay, please do not pull out the Patriot battery because it's on a very tight connection to the outside solar panel. There's lots of light that comes in the morning through the dome. It does get hot in the middle of the day, so just go to the beach and cool off. the evenings are very nice there. This is our vegetable garden. It has an 8-foot fence to keep the deer out, and the sprinklers go off at 7 a.m. I am looking to put in some new vegetable plants in there. I got to pull out a lot of the overgrown kale and other things that have already finished. I could use some help weeding it also. And this area is the area in front of the yurt. You have 2 grills. This one here is a propane one. And let's see, if you walk through here, we have a small bed for potatoes there. That one we actually don't have a sprinkler, so we pull a hose to water it. So I would be so grateful if you could keep that watered. We have 2 beautiful chestnut trees just at the entrance of the 11-seater for the yurt. And then if you move to the right, that's where we have our coop and chicken run and greenhouse. Currently, we're keeping the rooster and his flock inside because he's trying to attack the 2 old hens, and he has attacked them and hurt them. So we're trying to keep the other 2 old hens safe, and the 2 old hens do get out, so they're free range, and these guys stay indoors. They used to be all free range, but he just chases down the hens and really hurts them, so I can't have that. This is the greenhouse, and there are the 2 hens. They're older. That's Bodhi, the lighter one, and Cleo, the dark one. See you soon.